Okay, the other recipe I was talking about was this jerky stew recipe, and the ingredients are 5 cups of water, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, 2 pounds of diced jerky, 2 cups diced potatoes, and you can use any kind of potato you want, the red potatoes or whatever you choose, 2 tablespoons diced green bell pepper, a half a cup of diced white onion, a half a cup of diced carrots, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1/2 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and then you salt to taste. And you want to have a teaspoon of cornstarch on the side to thicken the broth. But you soak the jerky in warm water for about 10 minutes and then you drain off the water. But you combine the water, the jerky, and all ingredients except for the cornstarch in about a 2 to 3 quart pot, and cook over medium heat until it comes to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you mix the cornstarch in about a 1/4 cup of water and add to the broth to thicken it.